Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi everyone. Today I'm going to solve question 15, differentiation. Given y equal to x the power of ln x, by taking logarithm, find dy dx. Hence, show that x square y double prime minus x bracket 2 ln x minus 1 y prime minus 2y equal to 0. So, we have to remember this one y double prime represent as the d square y over dx square, and y prime is equal to dy over dx. Okay, so in this question, actually we have a two question. Okay, first find dy dx, and then the second one we have to hence show that. Okay, we have a two question here, so we have to solve one by one. Okay, so y equal to x ln x. Okay, x to the power of ln x. So y equal to x to the power of ln x. So in order to solve the differentiation of y equal to x to the power of ln x, we have by taking logarithm. So I'm putting both sides ln y equal to ln x the power of ln x. So as we know, we can bring the power in front, okay, by refer to the law of logarithm, okay, the power rule. Okay, and then I can write down as ln y equal to ln x dot ln x. So ln x times ln x can be simplified as ln x square. Okay, so now we can solve and get the dy dx. So I differentiate both sides. So I'm writing down as d over dx for ln y equal to d over dx for ln x square. Okay, so now when you differentiate at the left hand side for the ln y, we have to follow by implicit differentiation. So differentiate ln y, as we know, we have to differentiate by refer to the ln. So ln y, when we differentiate, we get 1 over y dy dx. Okay, must be remember when you differentiate y, we get dy dx equal to, okay, so this one at the left hand side is settled, and then we refer to the second one at the right hand side. So how to differentiate ln x square? So this one you can solve by using the chain rule, or you can solve by using the power rule. So for me, I'm choosing power rule. So I bring 2 in front, 2 ln x, and then I differentiate ln x. So I get 1 over x. Okay, so 1 over y dy dx equal to 2 ln x over x. Alright, and then I just want dy dx only. So I have to bring 1 over y into the right hand side. So what I get, dy dx is equal to 2y ln x over x. Okay, so this is the answer for the dy over dx. Okay, 2y ln x over x. You can also replace y equal to x the power of ln x. Okay, now we focus on the second question. Hence, show that x square y double prime minus x 2 ln x minus 1 y double prime minus 2y equal to 0. Okay, so we have to using the answer that we get at the previous dy over dx equal to 2y ln x over x to proceed so that we can show this equation equal to 0. Okay, now what should we do is starting from the dy over dx equal to 2y ln x over x. So x, I do the cross multiply, so I get the x dy dx. So this one dy dx I can write down as a y prime, okay, equal to 2y ln x. Okay, you have to remember we can write down dy dx equal to y prime, and then for the second order differentiation, d squared y over dx square equal to y double prime. Okay, it doesn't matter on how to write down your derivative. Okay, next, so we have to differentiate both sides. Okay, we have to differentiate both sides. So d over dx for the xy prime equal to d over dx 2y ln x. Okay, so we have to be very careful on how to do the derivative for both sides. Okay, so we have to follow the implicit differentiation. So this one xy prime, this is a product of the two function. Okay, so we have to using the product rule. Same goes as the right hand side. So xy prime, so I differentiate y prime first. So one, I'm differentiate y prime, so I get x y double prime plus, and then I differentiate x equal to 1. So I kept the y prime as a constant, so I get the y prime equal to this one 2y plus 2y ln x. So this one I have to let u equal to 2y, and then I'm differentiate, I got the 2 dy dx, and then for our v is equal to ln x v prime 1 over x. Okay, so you have to using the product rule uv prime plus vu prime. Okay, so we get the 2y over x plus 2 ln x dy dx. Okay, oh, this one dy dx, just now I'm writing down as a y prime. Okay, all right, so we bring all the right hand side into the left hand side. Okay, so I can write down as a y x y double prime plus y prime minus 2 ln x y prime minus 2y over x equal to 0. Okay, so now I have to remove this one x. So I have to multiply all terms, okay, at the left hand side and also right hand side by x. Okay, I have to multiply all sides, multiply by x. Okay, so what can I get here is we get the x square y double prime plus x y prime minus 2x ln x y prime minus 2y equal to 0. Okay, so how to modify our equation? Same like the question. We have to factorize x. Okay, we have to factorize x at this one. Okay, at this part we have to factorize out the negative x. So x square y double prime. So once I factorize out the negative x, I can get 2 ln x minus 1 y prime minus 2y equal to 0. Okay, so finally we get the answer we have shown. Okay, so that's the method on how to solve for the hence question, because the hence question must be referred to the previous answer that we get. Actually, this one we get from the dy dx that we obtained from the previous steps. Okay, so if you get the wrong dy over dx, it will be guaranteed that we cannot get the final one for the hence question. So I think that's all for today. So thanks for watching. Bye.